Your custom branch circuit monitor will arrive fully configured and ready to install with leads and CTs sized to your specifications. Before beginning the installation, here are some important safety measures. The installation must be conducted by a qualified professional. They must wear the proper personal protective equipment when handling a current transducer on a live conductor. Do not make adjustments to the branch circuit monitor's internal wiring. If you suspect any damage to the branch circuit monitor, CTs, interconnect boards, or leads, do not attempt to repair or use them. Before installation, disconnect power to the panel if possible. If it is not possible to disconnect power, always treat CT leads as though they carry live voltage. Now, let's install your branch circuit monitor. First, mount the monitor as close as possible to the panel being monitored using the mounting brackets provided. The monitor can be mounted in a variety of ways, including on the panel itself, on the wall, or under a raised floor. We're showing a wall mount. Run the CT interconnect cables and voltage leads inside the panel. Next, connect the voltage leads. A 3-pole breaker is preferred as it provides overcurrent protection and a convenient means of disconnecting power from the branch circuit monitor. Connect the voltage leads to the correct phase based on your type of voltage service. Connect the ground wire to earth. Failure to properly ground the monitoring device could result in a dangerous or a fatal electrocution. Now attach the CT interconnect boards and cables. Clean the area thoroughly, then mount the CT interconnect boards inside the panel using the tape provided. Be sure to orient the CT interconnect boards so that the black connector header faces away from the panel. Attach the connector at the end of the CT interconnect cable to the corresponding CT interconnect board header. The interconnect cables and boards are labeled. Pay attention to the labels because an error here will result in incorrect readings. Route each CT harness inside the panel and secure as desired. You're ready to install the CTs. Open the split core CT by opening the latch on the side of the CT. Position the CT on the conductor so that the CT lead faces towards the load and away from the source. Close the CT and ensure the latch has clicked into place. Connect each CT to the conductor. Each CT lead from the wire harness will have a label. Connect the CT tail to the corresponding CT wire harness using the quick connectors. Connecting a CT to the wrong wire will lead to incorrect readings. If you are monitoring in-feed circuits, follow the same process for installing the in-feed CTs. Turn power on to the device. Once power is supplied, the branch circuit monitor will automatically begin to transmit data. It is always a good idea to verify readings against other sources to ensure the installation was performed correctly.
The ease of installation surprised me the most. So this was a lot smoother and a lot faster and a lot more time-saving. So it was made for the space, and so all the lengths for the cabling was nice. You didn't have to do a lot of cutting or modifying in the field. It went very smooth that way, and the labeling to which CT gets plugged into which one was extremely nice.
Packet Power's monitoring made-to-measure approach cuts installation time in half compared to other monitors.